Okay, so here's a fun one that is really, really interesting, and it's actually working with lists. And what is a list? Well, you can have lists of videos, and sometimes that can be super helpful. Like, what if you have a bunch of different videos that you want to play on a loop? We do this for our 24/7 live stream, and what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and open up 10 different, I don't know how many, 20 different video files. These are all the video files from this course so far. And we can shuffle them, move them around. And then when we hit OK, what we basically have created is a playlist with audio. You can see there's the audio. And we can kind of skip between these videos. Or just have them play on a loop, which sometimes people want. I know I've used that feature quite a few times, this list feature. So there it is. And this one's simple. You know, this is what it is. There's the list there. It's playing on a loop. We use this in our 24/7 live stream. I don't know if you've ever seen that. Maybe I can show that to you real quick. Why don't I show you that? So if we go to ptzoptics.com and we go to our YouTube channel, you will see that we are live streaming. So any video we go to, it will say, oh, look, they're live. So in our live stream, whoa, turn that off. This right here, this box, this is our live show. It's live streaming 24/7 until we do our regular Friday live shows. This box here is basically a list of our past shows. So I've created a giant list, and I just stream it 24/7 on loop, and people can catch up on our latest shows. So that's how it works, guys. It's a cool feature. Let's keep moving on.